let's try and understand clause 35 when you file for a trademark application. So if the company is actually providing services in the online world, it is advisable to file an application irrespective of the fact that you are into manufacturing, to file the application in clause 35. And it becomes more important in the year 2025 because a lot of companies are coming online, and having a trademark for that particular brand would be useful to create the best possible portfolio of trademark applications. Many a times we get a question, why is trademark more important than any other intellectual property right? Understand one question. The consumer is able to identify your brand or your service mark. So next time you file any trademark application in any of the classes, don't forget to look into clause 35. Clause 35 becomes more mandatory in the year 2025, looking into the business landscape of how it is evolving. Having a .com domain, .in domain, should I file a trademark for it? We will discuss these issues in the coming videos. Thank you for watching out the video. Have a great day ahead.